Welcome to TripQ. Our team is developing a cutting-edge, decentralized hotel booking platform leveraging the latest Web 3.0 technologies. This platform will transform the hospitality industry by offering a transparent, secure, and user-friendly booking experience that eliminates intermediaries, reduces costs, and increases trust through blockchain technology. By harnessing the power of smart contracts and decentralized data storage, our solution ensures that both hoteliers and customers have direct control over their transactions and data, leading to improved operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. This innovation not only aligns with modern technological trends, but also caters to the growing demand for more decentralized and user-empowered solutions in travel and hospitality. Our platform leverages the power of artificial intelligence to provide personalized recommendations, ensuring every journey is uniquely yours. From finding the best hotels to uncovering hidden gems at your destination, TripQ is your intelligent travel companion. TripQ elevates security and simplifies login with Web3 authentication. Users can sign in seamlessly using social logins or crypto wallets like Xaman, bypassing the need for passwords and key pair mechanisms. Key management is handled by a user-friendly interface. With blockchain technology, we guarantee that your transactions are secure, transparent, and efficient. Say goodbye to hidden fees and booking uncertainties. TripQ brings trust and clarity back to travel. We do this by bringing the traveler and the hotel owners together by using the Evernode smart contract platform and the XRPL blockchain. Join the new era of travel booking with TripQ. Whether you're planning a spontaneous getaway or a meticulously crafted adventure, TripQ is here to make your travel dreams a reality. Experience the revolution in travel booking today. TripQ, where Web 3.0 meets travel. Visit tripqjvo.com and start your journey with us. You'll be greeted by the TripQ homepage, where you can start your journey. Here you can see summarized views of top-rated hotels, newly added properties, best offers and trip planning facilities, etc. Similarly to a usual booking app, it has all the functionalities to register a hotel, create room types and rooms, list and view all hotel details, which provided for a hotel owner to advertise his properties within the Trip platform. We need to mention here specially that we require no payment in the process of registering a hotel, which is totally free. And now let's move on to the application walkthrough. Let's explore how users can sign into TripQ. TripQ leverages Web3 authentication to enhance security and provide a seamless login experience. This approach allows users to sign in using social logins, as well as existing crypto wallets, eliminating the need for traditional usernames and passwords. By replacing the traditional key pair mechanism for authentication with social logins and external wallets like Xaman, the burden of key management is shifted from the user to more user-friendly systems. This offers several advantages, particularly in terms of user experience and accessibility. Now, let's see how users can sign into TripQ using social logins. In the background, a private key is generated for the user in a self-custodial manner, resulting in a smooth onboarding process for users into the application. That account can be topped up later to conduct transactions. To activate your account, please visit the My Accounts page and add funds. You can top up your account using an external wallet or with a prepaid card. Enter the prepaid card and submit. Or try with an external wallet. Simply scan the QR code. Once the transaction is completed, your account will be activated and you can view your account balance. Let's see how a customer can search for a hotel and book it with TripQ, and then how transactions are handled here. Using TripQ's AI search and speech recognition service, planning your trip is easier than ever. Simply tap the microphone and say your destination, check-in and check-out dates, number of guests, and desired facilities. You can also type your preferences here. Our AI search engine will handle the rest. TripQ's AI doesn't just present options, it finds the best ones tailored to your preferences. Whether you seek luxury, budget-friendly choices, or something unique. Additionally, you can use your preferred language. I'll demonstrate in English. Let's give it a try. I am planning to visit Sri Lanka from August 30th to 31st with my family of 4. I am searching for a beach resort that has an Ayurvedic spa. I would also like to learn about Buddhism and their culture. then click on the search button to find hotels. It displays the top hotels in Sri Lanka that match my dates and specific requirements. It also provides detailed information about each hotel, including descriptions, star ratings, addresses, and contact details. You can load more hotels by clicking on the Show More button. To check these hotels' availability, click on the View Availability button. Then you'll see more details such as room types, the number of rooms available for each type, and other hotel information. Here, you can select the quantity you want from each room type and click on the I'll Reserve button to make your reservations. You will then proceed to the next step in the reservation process, where you need to provide your contact details and continue with the payment. Once you provide all required details, you will be redirected to the payment section. Here, you can choose your payment method and pay via either a credit, debit card, or digital currencies. In this option, you can add your card details here and pay. Or you can pay with digital currencies of your choice out of the options here. Let's try with digital currencies. After signing in with social logins, an account has been created and you have already activated it. You can use this internal account or connect an external wallet for transactions. For now, let's proceed with the internal wallet. Your reservation is now completed. If you wish to cancel, your payment will be refunded according to the hotel's cancellation policy, which can be adjusted by the hotel owner at any time. Escrow transactions ensure that payments are securely held until the hotel owner confirms your check-in. With no intermediaries involved, the hotel owner receives the payment immediately without any hassle. Now, let's check the My Accounts page to review the transaction. This is the transaction I made, and this XRP amount has been on hold in the escrow until you check in. Next, we'll sign out of this account and switch to the hotel owner's account. Previously, we signed in using social logins. Now, I'll demonstrate the other method by signing in with the external wallet, Xaman. Simply scan the QR code with the Xaman app to sign in. After that, navigate to the My Accounts page to review the account details. You'll notice that 20,000 TripQ tokens were initially airdropped into the hotel owner's account. Once a reservation is accepted, a percentage of them will be consumed. The transaction we made for the reservation in the previous step has been received, but the payment is still pending and on hold. Don't forget to check the account balance as well. Let's navigate to the Manage Bookings page. Here, you can view the reservations made for your hotels. Once the user checks into the hotel, the payment will be transferred to the hotel owner's account. After the user checked in, the hotel owner can confirm the check-in and claim the payment. The payment should now be credited to the hotel owner's account. Let's check the accounts page to confirm. Once the reservation is completed, a percentage of TripQ tokens are reduced from the hotel owner's balance, and the XRP balance is also updated to reflect the payment. Payments are recorded on the blockchain. Without intermediaries, hidden fees and booking uncertainties are eliminated. With blockchain technology, TripQ provides secured, transparent, and immutable transactions where no tampering is guaranteed within the blockchain platform. At TripQ, we believe that travel should be inspiring, seamless, and secure. Our AI and blockchain-powered platform is designed to transform how you plan, book, and experience travel. Join us in revolutionizing the travel industry and discover a world where your journeys are crafted just for you. Visit everpower.io today for more information on this exciting project.